8, excuse me, 9, and then
10.
10. Okay. So 10 plus what?
2. 10, 11.
Oh, I got to count past 10?
Yeah. 10, 11.
11?
Well, okay, 0 plus anything will always be that number. So let's just put the 2 down.
Okay.
So what's 0 plus 2?
4.
0 plus 2 is 2.
Oh, okay.
Because anything times plus 0 equals that number.
Okay, I got to remember that. Okay, 0, anything with 0 is the... Okay, I think I got that.
And then you just drag the 1 down. So it will be...
Well, what do you mean drag the 1? How do I drag a
You
number?
put 2 here.
Mm-hmm.
You know that 2 goes here, right? And then if there's a 1 here, there's a 0 here.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay, so...
What's that number?
1, 2.
12. 12. How about I help you on my level math?
Well, I think we just stick with the basics. Give me another one. Give me another one.
How about 20 plus 20?
Are you keeping it easy for her, Paris? Is this hard math for her or what?
If I can't
This
count
is
it...
easy. Okay, go 10, 20, 30, 40.
20, 30, 40, 36.
No,
5.
it's 20. No, 10.
Okay, I know
20,
10.
30, 40.
I know 10.
Okay, if you know 10
Mm-hmm.
plus 10 equals
Okay,
20.
wait. Because wait. Okay, so we got 10, and then 11, 12, 13, 14,
15.
15,
16. 16.
16, 17, 27.
18. 18.
This is hard. What's next?
19.
19. Don't be laughing at me, Paris. I can't help it. And then
Paris,
what's that?
are you really trying to help her, Paris?
Or 20? 20. Okay, so 20. I counted to 20. That's the first time I've ever counted to 20.
Did she do it all by herself, Paris?
Yeah.
She helped me.
10 plus 10
Mm-hmm.
equals 20 again. So what? 0 plus 0? 0.
0. Okay.
2 plus 2 is 2, and then another 2. 1, 2, 3,
5.
4.
4. That's right. All right.
So the answer is 40.
That's 40?
I'm having trouble.
Is that 40? That looks like 4 plus 0.
How about we do some math of mine?
Okay.
But I'll help you out.
Okay.
So I did it.
But see, you're in what?
Third
7th
grade.
grade? 3rd? See, I only went to 2nd, no Paris.
Just listen, I'll help you. Okay, so you have 5 students, each got 2 pieces of gum. Well, you already know there was 5 students, and if each student got 2 pieces of gum, it's multiplication, right?
I don't know what
Let me go to
multiplication
the
is.
table chart.
Okay, I don't know what that word is.
These are
I
the
didn't learn that.
products. These are products.
Like you buy products in the grocery store?
This is going to be more difficult than I thought.
I'm trying.
Products,
Mm-hmm.
I mean, properties are
Oh, like if you-
commutative properties,
So like
associative property, identity property, and zero property. Commutative property would be like 3 times 5 equals 5 times 3. Because 5 times 3 equals the same as 3 times 3. Let me go back to my equation.
This is too hard. Community property. I thought when you got divorced, one person, everybody shares everything. It's called community property.
Let me hope you listen.
Okay.
5 students each got 2 pieces of gum.
Okay.
But it already tells you there were 5 students. And also
Is this the students?
no, let's say these are the students.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and if each student got 2, imagine 2 in each one. So I'm giving you the answer.
But this one got 4. That one got 8. This one gets 10. That's not fair.
It's counting by 2s.
It's counting by twos.
I don't count by twos.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22,
I thought it was 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's one way. 4s and 6s. Multiplication will have trouble. You know what? You want me to show you the real way that I do it at school?
Your way is too hard.
I do this at
Because
school.
you got...
We get packets
Some
at
of the kids
school.
get 10 pieces of gum. Some get 8.
No,
I
listen,
don't get
listen,
that.
listen.
Uh-huh.
You count by twos. Going up. Going.
So like if I was to walk upstairs and count, that's going up? Is that what you mean?
No. So, let's just get to the equation. 5 times 2 equals 10, correct?
Yeah.
You know 5 plus 5 equals 10.
Yes.
5 times 2 is just 5 plus 5 again.
Oh, okay. I think I
So
got that.
anything times 2 would be that number added by itself. So like if you did 6 times 2, it would just be like 6 plus 6 equals 12. So that would equal 12.
Okay.
So like 8 plus 8 equals 16.
Mm-hmm.
It would be 8 times 2 equals 16. You
Mm.
get it?
Kinda, yeah. I think so.
So, let's get back
I think
to
I'm
the
learning.
equation. If 5 students each, it tells you each student got 2.
Each.
So, let's count by twos. 2,
1, 2,
4,
3, 4,
6,
5, 6,
8,
7, 8,
10.
9, 10.
You see how each student got 2
Yeah.
pieces of gum?
So what's the question? How many pieces?
5 times 2 equals 10.
Okay. I
So
get
that,
it.
yeah. Yeah. If each student, so all it asks is really each got 2 pieces of gum. So basically, how many pieces did each student
Why
get?
did they get 2 pieces of gum? Isn't 1 enough?
Well, some pieces of gum are very thin or very tiny.
That's bad for their teeth, though.
Just get to the equation. If each student got 2 pieces of gum,
Mm-hmm.
and there were 10 pieces in all,
Mm-hmm.
would there be enough if there were 50 students and you bought 5 times as much? So it already tells you it's multiplication. So 5
I don't understand.
times 10. Because it's
But
5
why would
times
there be
2.
50 students in one classroom?
Because maybe the whole grade joined.
The rooms aren't big enough.
Don't make me go crazy. Listen to what
I'm
I'm
listening,
saying.
but it doesn't make sense because there are 50 kids
Just
and only one
listen.
teacher?
Just listen, just listen.
That's
How
overcrowding.
about 50 divided by 10? Because I can't help you.
I don't know what that
You
means.
can't help her.
50 divided by 5 equals 1. So all the answer is 1. I'm done.
What?
I can't help
Thank
you.
You
you.
can't help her?
No.
Why?
Do you want me to teach you the basic skills?
You
That's
tried.
I'll teach you circles.
What do you think? Is she smart?
Yeah, she's smart. But
She is smart?
Get how she does not make it up to, like, you know.
You don't get what?
Okay, let's do
Wait.
circle
What'd you say? You
drawings.
don't get how she didn't make it
How
what?
she didn't make it up to 3rd grade. How do you not make it up to 3rd grade?
Because I had to go to work. Where are you going?
I think I heard something.
Oh my God.
What'd you hear?
You heard. You think it was something that we would?
You didn't
We
hear anything,
would.
sweetie.
No.
Oh, it must have been you.
I had to work
You know how
in
to
the
get.
fields. In the cotton fields.
She was a slave.
So I couldn't go to school. I had to work to help support my mom and my dad.
So is she smart, Paris?
Well, I can say that she learned a little bit today.
I did. I learned a lot today. That's the most I've learned in a long time.
Yeah.
How about we just count
Paris, so you think she's smart?
this?
Huh?
And
Paris.
Stop asking that question.
She
Why?
don't want to say that she thinks I'm stupid. She just doesn't want to say it.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. You think I'm dumb.
No.
Is she?
No.
You could tell me if she, just tell me in my ear. Is she dumb?
She's not dumb.
She's not? Is she smart? Or is she kind of like in the middle? On the scale to 1 to 5, how smart is she? 5 is super smart and 1 is super slow. So which one is she? Touch my finger. She don't even have to see.
I won't look.
5 is super smart.
Close your eyes.
And tell the truth. So then that's like, that's going the opposite way. No, this is 1.
What, you talking
This
about
is
4?
1. This is 2. This is 3, 4, 5. 5 is super smart. 1 is super slow. Okay, now come do it
another
again.
4?
Come do it again.
You are. I picked the wrong number.
Oh, okay.
I didn't know which way.
Okay, so this is smart.
No. No. I don't know which one.
Well, you know,
Super slow.
she's super slow.
How about we just
She's
pick 3?
She's super. You said she's super slow.
No, let's just pick 3.
Did you say she's super
No.
I think I heard her say that.
No.
slow? Okay, come
They're
back on.
slow in multiplication.
And that's it. Okay.
You can come sit back down. I'm not gonna.
You think that's help?
Can I mix that?
Yeah, come on over here. So would she be able to learn? No, is she capable of learning?
Can you tutor me? Maybe every day after school I come over to your aunt's house and you can sit down with me for about 10 minutes and tutor me.
Maybe an hour a day.
I don't think I could handle an hour. I think 10 minutes would probably be about it for me.
What
Can you do that?
You willing to train her?
Maybe.
Well, you can tell I need the help, Paris. And Aunt Delphine can't help me.
That Paris, that is nothing. Stop running.
You hear the oven?
Yeah, that's the oven.
It's the gas oven.
All right.
Do you think we would be sitting here if there was something going on, like something scary? Why
Right.
would we be sitting here?
Right. And we have alarms all in this house, girl. The moment the door opens,
Move it over here.
Paris,
Come
sweetie,
sit.
it's just the oven, babe.
go show her the sound it would make if you open the door. Just go open that back door right there, Paris. Go.
It says back door.
Open. Garage door. Window.
Are you gonna make my cake? Well, come make my cake.
I want to be over
Well, here, sit here in my seat.